Hello, everyone. Welcome to Practice Listening Podcast. I'm Tom, and today we're going to talk about something very important, learning English and different ways we can practice it. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like to help our podcast grow and reach more English learners.
Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm really excited about today's topic. Learning English is important for so many reasons. It helps with travel, work, education, and communication with people from around the world. And there are many simple ways to practice every day.
That's right. Many people think they need to be perfect to speak English, but the truth is, practice is what makes you better. You don't need to speak perfectly to start. You just need to try, make mistakes, and learn.
Exactly. Making mistakes is normal. It's part of the learning process. I think the most important thing is to practice a little every day. Short and consistent practice works better than studying for 3 hours once a week.
I agree. Consistency is key. For example, if someone reads just one page of a book in English every day, in 1 year, that person will finish a whole book. It looks small, but it's powerful.
Speaking of reading, one great way to practice English is by reading short books for beginners. Many of them use simple vocabulary and short sentences. There are books with stories, biographies, and even comics. Comics are great because you can see pictures and understand the context easily.
I used comics to practice English when I was younger, and today we also have something amazing that people didn't have before. Artificial intelligence, like chatbots. You can ask questions, translate sentences, or even practice conversations with an AI.
Yes, AI is like having a teacher available 24 hours a day. You can ask, "How do I say this in English?" Or, "Can you correct my sentence?" And you get an answer immediately. It's perfect for shy people too, because there's no pressure or judgment.
That's a good point. Many learners feel nervous speaking with other people, but practicing with an AI or talking to yourself at home is a great start. When I was learning another language, I used to talk alone in my room, describing things like, "This is a cup," or "I am cooking pasta."
That's funny, but very helpful. I do the same sometimes. Another great way to practice is by watching videos in English. On YouTube, you can watch short lessons, listen to podcasts like ours, or watch vlogs. And for beginners, subtitles in English really help.
Yes, watching and listening at the same time is powerful. You learn pronunciation, expressions, and new vocabulary. And if you watch content you enjoy, like cooking videos, travel videos, or movie reviews, learning becomes fun.
Speaking of movies, another tip is to watch movies or series you already know, but in English. Because you already know the story, it's easier to understand the language. Even animated movies are great for learning.
Absolutely. And if someone likes music, studying lyrics is also a fun way to learn. First, listen to the song, then read the lyrics, and then listen again. You learn new words and improve your listening skills.
Music helps with pronunciation, too. When you sing, you repeat sounds in a natural way. It's like training your mouth to speak English. And you don't need to sing well, you just need to enjoy it.
That's a good thing because I don't sing well at all, but I still enjoy music. So, if we think about it, there are many ways to practice English. Reading books, watching videos, listening to podcasts, using AI, studying lyrics, and talking to yourself. And many of these methods are free.
Yes, learning English today is easier than ever. The world is full of resources. We just need discipline and curiosity. A little every day makes a big difference.
Now, Lisa, I have a question. Why do you think learning English is so important?
Well, I think English connects people. It opens doors. You can make international friends, travel more easily, find more jobs, and study with resources from other countries. English gives opportunities.
I agree 100%. English is like a bridge. It connects cultures, ideas, and people. Even if someone doesn't want to travel or study abroad, speaking English helps in daily life, like understanding tutorials, reading information online, or watching content from other countries.
Yes, and it feels great to understand another language. It gives confidence. Every time you learn a new word, it's like a little victory.
Exactly. And for everyone listening to us now, remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice a little every day. Enjoy the process and don't give up.
Before we finish, we want to remind you to subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you want more simple English conversations like this. Your support helps our podcast continue.
Thank you so much for listening. Keep practicing, stay curious, and speak a little English every day.
See you next time on Practice Listening Podcast. Bye-bye.